So now that we've got MotionGen activated, it's finally time to jump into our very first project. And to keep things honest, I'm going to use a reference video right in the sequencer. That way we can directly compare what we feed in against what MotionGen spits out. Always good to have a baseline, right? So here's the workflow. Fire up the engine, again minimize that terminal window, and just wait until that indicator lights up green or clearly says engine running. Once we're good to go, head over to the video settings section and pick your clip. Right now I've got support for MP4, MOV, and AVI. I'll be rolling out more formats down the line, but these should cover most use cases for now. With your video loaded, hit that Process Video button on the add-on UI, and the magic begins. You'll see a progress bar creeping along at the top, and depending on your hardware and the video size, this could take anywhere from 40 seconds up to around 7 minutes for a 20-second clip. Honestly, that range is pretty wide, but that's just the reality of working with different GPUs. If you've already processed the same video before, it'll be way faster since everything's cached locally. And speaking of local, all the processing happens on your machine, so no internet required after this point. Now, a quick heads up, you're going to need at least 8 GB of VRAM to run this smoothly. I'd strongly suggest closing any heavy applications like Chrome or other 3D software, especially if you're rocking an older graphics card. Every little bit of free memory helps, and you don't want your system choking halfway through. Once it finishes, we can finally lay the MotionGen result next to our reference clip and see how they stack up. And I don't know about you, but honestly, I'm pretty blown away by how well it handles tricky motion, even with occlusions and vertical movement. It stays rock solid. In my opinion, this is seriously impressive stuff. That wraps up our first project, but don't go anywhere. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to export that animation with proper centering, so it's ready to drop straight into game engines like Unity or Unreal. Stay tuned for that, and as always, let me know in the comments how your own tests go.